Hello, hey treaters. I'm Tom Morrison, CEO of the Metal Treating Institute and show producer of Furnaces North America 2020. You know, the difference between the most productive people in a company and the most productive and profitable companies in the country is knowledge. Knowledge that comes to you. And Furnaces North America 2020 was slated for October in Louisville, Kentucky. And now, because of COVID-19, we've transformed that whole process all into a virtual environment. So in that, we're going to bring content, booths, and networking to every computer screen in the world. And we've made it so affordable. It's only $199 per person for the first 2 in your company, and then $49 after that for the third person on. So for less than $600, you can take 6 of your key people and put them in the show and let them get the latest content, product demonstrations. You can even connect with sales reps right on screen via video and see presentations. It's amazing. Don't miss F&A 2020 Virtual. Go to FurnacesNorthAmerica.com right now. Click on these buttons, FurnacesNorthAmerica.com, and you want to register people today. See you online at F&A Virtual 2020, September 30th through October 2nd.